Would you like to join me in paradise and wake up every morning to this beautiful sunshine and tropical setting? I have the perfect home for you. This is Melanie Engel from Flamingo Realty, your premier luxury brokerage here in this beautiful and gorgeous Guanacaste, Costa Rica. Today we are at my favorite place, Reserva Conchal, and we are at the brand new community, Sanara. This is house number 28. It's the first house completely finished. It just is hitting the market. 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms. It even has a guest house, 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. I cannot wait to show you. Please enjoy this property tour with us today. Welcome to Sanara number 28. This home is brand new and waiting for you. It's almost 4,000 square feet, plenty of open space. It's got indoor living and outdoor living. Let's take a look at everything in this beautiful home. Walking in this beautiful home, you'll immediately notice all of the bright light and all the windows all around. They've got 2 spacious sitting areas, and over to the left, you're going to find the dining room and the kitchen. The kitchen is quite spacious. It makes a big, long L shape. Plenty of space if you have 2 chefs here. I love this white countertop. You've got white cabinetry, and the backsplash reminds me of the sea. Sanara 28 is super special and unique. These owners have created these arches all over. It gives it a Mediterranean vibe. It's a great place to showcase different artworks, and it gives you a lot of extra storage. Originally, this part of the home was meant to be outside, and what these owners did was they moved the outside part even further and grew the house. They have beautiful teak ceilings here, and there's plenty of seating for everyone. Great spot to just snuggle up with the family and watch a movie, or for social gatherings, you can sit here and have great conversations with your friends. This home comes fully furnished and ready for you. Schools and hospitals are close by. It's a perfect spot for permanent living or if you want a vacation rental. There are 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms here. Let's go take a look. Here we are in the principal suite. Every bedroom has this wooden looking floor. It is tiled for easy cleaning. Here in the master bedroom, you're going to find a king bed. Again, a beautiful arched niche. You've got an ensuite bathroom that even has a tub and a shower, and you've got patio doors to soak in these amazing breezes we have here in Costa Rica. The master bathroom is really pretty. Here you've got a 2-person tub, you've got arched mirrors, and you've got a shower that has a wave pattern tile. There are 2 guest bedrooms on the side where the master is. This one has a queen. The one next door has a king. Both of them have ensuite bathrooms, and they even have walk-in closets and a desk area. And they have these beautiful, huge windows to enjoy the views of Costa Rica and get in the tropical breezes. Here is bedroom number 3. Here we are in the 4th bedroom. It's just to the left of the front door. This one comes with a queen bed, a desk area, arched niches, and it has patio doors. So if you want to come in right from the driveway, you can. This is such a great backyard here. They've done such a wonderful job. You've got this amazing infinity-edge swimming pool to cool off, all these beautiful plants to look at, and you even have a soccer field for kids to play. Sanara 28 comes with a guest house. It has 2 bedrooms for a total of 6 bedrooms in the house. The back part is a shared bathroom, the front part is a shared kitchenette, and it has this really beautiful covered terrace with teak. Currently, the owners are using it, one as an office and one as a sitting area. Let's go take a look. The guest house is built with the same level and quality as the main house. This is a great spot to run away from the kids, come to your office work, or to put your mother-in-law when she comes to visit. Sanara 28 is one of 30 homes, soon to be completed, of Phase 1. This one is a corner unit. It's 1677 square meters. It's huge. And these owners have done a great job with landscaping. They've added all kinds of beautiful tropical plants and flora and fauna. You'll see hummingbirds, butterflies. It's a perfect place here. Across the street from your home, you're going to find the community center. They've got a huge lap pool here. They're going to have a splash pad. Here you can see they've got covered space. They're going to have things like ping pong or billiards, an outdoor movie theater, a kitchen. Great place to meet the neighbors and make new friends. Only a 5-minute walk from your home, you're going to find amazing trails like the Venado Trail. Here, there's a lot of wildlife inside Reserva Conchal. Daily, you're going to see monkeys, parrots, foxes, iguanas, and if you're lucky, you'll see an anteater and even an armadillo. Reserva Conchal is perfect for families. As you can see, they have a skate park, a huge soccer park. They've got a playground, a dog area. They also have hiking and biking trails. And if it's a school holiday, they have kids camps and movie nights. Reserva Conchal is home to the Robert Trent Jones 2 golf course. Here they even host the Latin PGA Tour. It's an 18-hole course. It's beautiful. It's surrounded by lots of lush surroundings. You're going to find all kinds of wildlife there. And on the watering hole, you'll see beautiful birds. Reserva Conchal is known for its beach club. It's 60,000 square feet of pure luxury. Here there's 13 bars and restaurants that we get 25% off as owners. You get 30% off at the beach club. You've got stand-up paddleboards, kayaks, bikes, ping pong, billiards, amazing service, multiple pools, everything you need to enjoy this beautiful life in Costa Rica. The only way to access Playa Conchal Beach itself is through Reserva Conchal, or you can come by horse or car and walk yourself in. Minutes from Sanara 28, you'll find this beautiful beach called Playa Conchal. It's made of broken little tiny white shells. Here it's got tropical waters, always calm, great for swimming, stand-up paddleboarding, jet skiing, and fishing. If you would like this paradise to be yours, then please check out my website, flamingobeachrealty.com, or give me a call on WhatsApp. And be sure to subscribe below to watch more great videos like this. Have a wonderful day. Pura vida.